Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang open letter ng isang PNPA graduate, underclass ni Major General Torre. So humihingi ng paliwanag ang underclassman, isang retired colonel na ngayon isa ng abogado. Si Attorney Geranel Taporco humingi ng paliwanag sa CIDG Chief tungkol sa paglilipat kay PRRD sa kabila ng pending TRO sa Korte Suprema. Legalidad ng aksyon kine-question. Yan po ang mga litrato nila. So ito post ni AMP, AM Pilipino ngayon. Ito yung sulat, widely circulated na ngayon sa social media. Basahin ko An open letter to Police Major General Nicolas De Los Torre, the third Director, CIDG. Permission to make statement, sir. So, napaka-respetado ang pagkagawa ng sulat. This letter serves as a formal request for clarification regarding recent action taken by the Criminal Investigation Detection Group under your command. It is acknowledged that your tenure has been marked by high-profile arrests which have garnered significant public attention, especially from us, your underclassmen in the Philippine National Police Academy, who hold dear the values of justice and integrity instilled by immaculates in us. It is imperative to address the matter of the transfer of former President Duterte to a foreign jurisdiction, particularly in light of the pending petition for temporary restraining order by his lawyers before the Supreme Court. As you are undoubtedly aware, a TRO is a constitutionally enshrined remedy designed to preserve the status quo ante, thereby preventing grave and irreparable injury pending judicial determination. Ulitin ko, abogado ito na PNP graduate. It is an extraordinary measure invoked in instances of extreme urgency to forestall actions that may exceed lawful authority or contravene established legal principles. Given the pendency of a TRO petition before Supreme Court, the transfer of PRRD raises significant legal concerns. Specifically, number 1, concern, jurisdictional integrity. The premature transfer of custody appears to disregard the Supreme Court's potential exercise of its jurisdiction. Due process concerns. The transfer may effectively render moot the petitioner's recourse to the Supreme Court, thereby undermining the principles of due process. Potential for grave and irreparable injury. The transfer may result in irreversible consequences contradicting the very purpose of a TRO. So yun ang tatlong concern. Therefore, I respectfully request a squad leader's time to hear a detailed wisdom of the legal basis upon which the CIDG proceeded with the turnover of PRRD, notwithstanding the pending TRO petition. It is difficult to reconcile the actions taken with the presumption that, as Director of CIDG, you possess a comprehensive understanding of Philippine law and jurisprudence. I will be attending the PNP Alumni Homecoming and am available to report to you there, sir. Galing. So, hindi siya natatakot. Napaka-respetado kasi ang dating ng open letter. Respectfully, Attorney Geranel Chavez Taporco, DSC. Fire Senior Superintendent, Bureau of Fire Protection, BARM. PNPA Sinaglaya Class of 2002. CDAS, ito yung serial number niya sa kadete. CDAS 02319 Hornets Company. To my 3,300 followers, please pass. Okay. So, yun. Magbasa lang tayo. So, I don't know kung makaabot ito kay General Torre. Sana makaabot. At I don't know kung sasagutin niya o hindi. Anyway, yun na yung usap-usapan, yung mabilisan na pag-transfer kagad kay PRRD. Mula nung nadakip siya, sinakay kagad sa eroplano at dinala na sa Netherlands. So, I believe on the way na sila ngayon sa Netherlands after yung layover nila sa Dubai. Okay, so, usap-usapan din ngayon yung na-violate na rules ng ICC. Specifically, Article 59.3 na dapat pala nung according to rules ng ICC, nung naaresto na si PRRD, dapat sana dinala muna siya sa isang judge dito sa Pilipinas para ang judge i-assess niya, i-evaluate niya kung yung warrant of arrest ay mag-apply doon sa inarestong tao na si PRRD. So hindi yon nagawa. Dapat sana dadalhin si PRRD sa isang judge para makapag-apply ng temporary release habang hindi pa siya nadadala sa The Hague, Netherlands. Okay, so salamat dito kay Attorney Geranel Tapoco, PNPA Class of 2002. I don't know kung anong class si General Torres sa PNPA. Siguro kung 2002 ito, baka siya 1999 or year 2000.